Hello people, welcome to my channel. I made the vlog already और मैंने intro भी बनाया था but as it turned out intro is not suitable. मतलब intro vertical बन गया and यहाँ vertical चीज़ें नहीं चलती हैं guys. So I'm doing this again and मैं थक गई हूँ इसीलिए मैं इंट्रो नहीं देना चाहती, मैं रिपीट नहीं करना चाहती. आप आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट देख लो वीडियो को. ओके. Skin looks really bad. Like I have eczema. So I had the worst flare up of eczema ever. Like it lasted for about a year. And then finally in summer holidays में there were 2-3 दिन जहाँ पे I didn't have the flare up. And the rashes were gone, the skin was like healed, but I think again it's like flaking and I have no idea what to do. So we will not do anything, obviously. We'll just let our skin be, because skin is skin. Skin is not a beauty product. So, and also I woke up with like a swollen, I don't know if you can see, but this like hurts. Like I don't have conjunctivitis, but this hurts, the tear duct part, and it hurts like hell. So I don't know, and it's like tearing up. So that's happening with me. And अगर ये सब ठीक नहीं हुआ टाइम पे तो मेरी बहुत ख़राब फ़ोटो आएगी. एंड मेरा इंटरव्यू भी है. सो इट्स एन ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यू बट यू हैव टू लाइक स्टेयर एट द स्क्रीन, राइट? सो आप स्टेयर करोगे और आपके आंसू आएंगे एंड देन इंटरव्यूअर विल आस्क कि क्या हुआ, आर यू क्राइंग? And I'll say yes, because I'm really poor and I really need the job. And then I think he'll have mercy and he'll feel bad for me and he'll say, take the job. Boo. So yeah, I applied mud mask. This is Dot & Key ka mud mask, by the way. If you want link, you can comment link. No, it's a Dot & Key acai berry, no, not acai berry, Dot & Key pink clay mask. Just google it, just search it on Nykaa and you'll find it. हर चीज़ का लिंक मांगने की आदत मत डालो, समझे? So I just took a shower and I got dressed, but look at this. The jeans is tight, the top is tight. एक तो it looks like a blouse, plus the buttons are gaping. And when I bought this like recently, and it should have fit me nicely, but it's not. I've gained weight. But I think when I'm at home I gain weight. When I go to college regularly I lose weight. So one day I'll be able to wear it again to college, but that day is not today, and today also I'm not going to college. So I have to change the top. Jeans I will not change because this is the only jeans I have. I do have another one, but that's tighter, so we'll have to work with it. And लोग बोलते हैं कि you're not supposed to fit the clothes are supposed to fit you. Bullshit. So I've changed and this looks much better. Actually people were right, clothes are supposed to fit you, you're not supposed to fit the clothes. I was wrong. So ये कितना अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे पे. वैसे भी फिट चेक दूँ
फिट चेक बाद में देना, पहले जा दूध लेके आ.
काट दूंगी आपका पार्ट.
देखो ना, मुझे एडिटिंग आती है ना मैं गाना डालना चाहती हूँ. सो आई विल सिंग फॉर यू. बिल्ली is going finally for the photo studio for the photo studio to the photo studio for passport size pictures. And Manjeet Photo Studio, shout out. Manjeet Photo Studio is the best. Here I come, Manjeet. Not take, but Sunkissed pictures and videos are just a propaganda. This propaganda is propagated by pretty people, okay?
It's like I'm promoting this. I'm not. But still, if you want to see, see. So अभी मैं अपने स्कूल के सामने हूँ, एक्स स्कूल, which is pathetic. We are waiting here for my little sister. How dare he? How dare he? So yeah, we're waiting and I'm tired. I've had one ice cream. My mom had 2 ice creams because she's a Mango Dolly Paglu, and that too actually not every brand ka Mango Dolly. She's a Cream Bell ka Mango Dolly Paglu. Yeah. So I'm home and I just 2 बटन खोल ली मैंने पैंट्स की because I'm fat and I've had ice cream और मैंने आधी आइसक्रीम खाई and I felt the need to open the buttons. I mean crazy, and I'm very tired. It's so hot. It's like really hot in Delhi and weather अभी ख़राब हो रहा है, then धूप आ रही है, then ख़राब हो रहा है, then धूप आ रही है. Like pick a lane. Indradev, pick a lane. This is Maggie. Maggie की आँखें खुल गई हैं and Maggie is a stupid orange cat. So this is her bed, but basically ये यहाँ पे रहती नहीं है, यहाँ से सुसु करने आती है. She sleeps on our bed. And you know what happened? My earphone, cheap earphone, I only have cheap earphones, okay, because I either lose them, either उनका एक बंद हो जाता है, either उनमें से करंट आने लग जाता है. So I only use सस्ता earphones. But instead I should just buy one महंगा earphone. But that's not cool. That's not consumerism, right? So my cheap earphone जो मैंने 2 दिन यूज़ किया है, I touched it and it crumbled. Like crumbled मतलब इसका I'll show you. This is not that. और मेरा हाथ आ जाता है यार. This is not that, but this part, this mic thingy part, I touched it and वो खुल गया. उसके सारे तार खुल गए और उसके अंदर का सारा माल देख लिया मैंने. एंड आई वाज लाइक इसको कैसे असेंबल करूँ. मैंने तो साइंस ली ही नहीं, मैंने तो आर्ट्स ली थी. सो आई हैड टू डू दैट. आई एम इन रेड. माई इंटरव्यू वेंट वेल. लाइक देयर वाज नथिंग दैट डिडंट गो वेल इन टर्म्स ऑफ कि उन्होंने क्वेश्चन पूछा मुझे आता ही नहीं है टाइप्स. दे गिव मी हाइपोथेटिकल सिचुएशन, आई गिव देम हाइपोथेटिकल आंसर्स. सो आई डिड दैट एंड मतलब पहले ठीक था, बट देन दे आई थिंक दे डिडंट नो. एंड ऑल्सो इट इज़ नॉट अ internship, it is a full-time job. And since I'm a student, I don't know कि मैं full-time job कर पाऊँगी कि नहीं. Most probably नहीं कर पाऊँगी. Plus that company actually works in the US का time, because it's a US based company. तो US के time पे काम होता है, which is like 6 to 3. So hey, hi. सो 6 to 3 का था एंड नॉक्टर्नल होना पड़ता मेरे को बिल्कुल. एंड कॉलेज के साथ वैसे मुश्किल हो तो जाता, बट अगर इफ़ आई गॉटन इट तो ठीक था. बट इट्स नॉट एन इंटर्नशिप ना. दे डिडंट टेल मी. द पर्सन हु रेफर्ड मी टोल्ड मी कि इंटर्नशिप है, बट दे सेड नो, लॉन्गर रन के लिए भी लुकिंग फॉर अ फुल टाइम लाइक एम्प्लॉई. Bye guys. Bye Maggie. Bye guys, and subscribe. And if you like my content, which I think you do. I'm fun. You do like my content. Ooh.
हिप्नोटाइज हो जाओ, हिप्नोटाइज हो जाओ।